start.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So my venture is a mobile app, so that connect customers to the event photographers. So as you all know, capturing a special moment is a very crucial thing nowadays. So everyone is ready to pay a huge amount to the event photography. So, but there are the only problem here is they don't know how to choose a perfect photographer for their event. So through my application, I listed photographers near the customer's location, and so they can filter according to their needs. So after they can choose, yeah. So if they are available on a particular date, only then only they can choose. So and also they can compare the prices of different photographers. So other than this, we promote a new photographers that are good in creative photography, so they can showcase their skills. So new photographers also get a benefit from this. So currently, I'm the only one. There is no competitor for this for my venture. So I'm pretty much sure in 2013 my venture is the leading one in market. So initially, I'm the only one. Initially, I'm not going to charge any amount from the customers and photographers. But later stage, I go for a subscription model. So from starting, I'm the only one working behind this. So the capital amount is very less. So after 2 3 years, I employ few people for developing my app and hire a marketing team also. So that I can manage my work. Yeah, that's it, sir.
That's all. You are speaking only for 1 minute.
Uh,
What is your band rate? How you are going to control your band
yeah,
rate?
that's what I'm saying, sir. Initially, I'm the only one working
Yes,
behind
how
this.
you are the only one owner, no?
Yes,
Then
sir.
the band rate will be high.
No, sir.
Mm.
It's just a mobile app, so I don't think
Mm.
much capital is required.
Because you have to market, how you will
Yeah,
market.
that. Yeah, after 2 3, I employ a few people's for
You
marketing
have to
team.
pay salaries to them. If you are employing, then if you want to market in online,
Yeah, with
you
the help
need
of some YouTube blogs or blogs,
all these things you
maybe.
have to create. It is not
Yeah,
free of cost.
yeah, with the help
Only
of
up to
some
certain
social
limit.
media, I can market my app.
So you are having a very simple thing. Then what about your investments?
So I think there is no much investment needed because I'm the only one working. Initially, I'm the one working behind this.
That is the
So
issue. Or even one person is working, investment is needed. That is how the entrepreneur should plan. Remember that you have to hire a room, you have to sit inside the room. All these charges are there. No, it never means that only an app will decide. Yeah, the technical things forms part of only 10%, 90% others. You have to consider what are all the 90%. That is a very important thing. Most of the students are telling only about the app means it is very easy. We can sit inside the home and decide. But it is not like that. When big data is coming, how you are able to manage? Yes. Hmm? So what will be a minimum viable product? MVP.
VP,
Mm.
VP, I don't know, sir.
Your app only, no?
Yeah, sir.
Mm.
That's that only.
That is the
Yeah,
thing. You have to show that prototype of that one. How it will, you are showing the only the
yeah,
image that is that one.
yeah. This is how
Mm.
it's connected.
Okay, that's why you are not showing your image.
1 minute, sir.
Mm.
Okay,
As per the rule, you have to show your image, no?
okay.
Huh? Yes, others. You
Thank you, sir.
can move this screen sharing.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Okay, good. So, any questions from your side? No questions because we are having 1.5 minutes there for others. Nobody is having question for others. Oh, what happened? I think most of them are supporting others. Huh? Yes, created a nice view among others. Maybe. Hmm. Okay, others.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm. Who is going to do next?
Sir, can I do?
Blinsha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Whether you need,
Yes, sir. I need to share my screen.
or you want to share the
Yes, sir.
screen. Okay, ma. Okay, Bliss, I have permitted. Mm.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes. Mm.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my product today is MedWheels, and the tagline is "Every second matters." So MedWheels is actually a smart ambulance. So I'll be talking about this in the next slide. Okay, so these are the table of contents. I'll have my problem, solution, the product, and SWOT analysis. So first is the problem. So according to a report published by Times of India, like about 146,133 people were killed in road accidents in India in the year 2016. So unfortunately, about 30% of deaths are caused due to delayed ambulance in traffic. So there's a solution to it. An ambulance that is equipped with the automated medical equipment that can also be operated remotely. The ambulance will also have the necessary equipment required to take emergency measures and also to perform a surgery. So this is the product features. So this will be based on 5G with the high speeds and very low latency of 5G network, will enable flawless coordination and high quality video streaming. We'll also have a remote surgery, wherein the surgery equipment will be in the form of robotic hands that can be operated remotely by the experienced doctors to perform surgery in the case of critical condition of the patient. So the doctors will actually have a control. So from wherever, any part of the world, even anywhere, so they can control the robotic hands using this 5G technology, sitting at their desktop or wherever they are. And we'll also have a smart navigation system. So the ambulance also has a smart navigation system wherein the ambulance can change the route based on the traffic. So these are the features of my product. So the functioning. The ambulance will be fully connected with 5G and will be automated using artificial intelligence. The patient can request the ambulance through an app or call. Secondly, once the ambulance arrives, the patient will be examined through automatic equipment, and based on the criticality of the patient, various steps can be taken. Third, if the patient requires immediate surgery, then the ambulance can connect to a doctor, and then the doctor can perform the surgery remotely by operating the robotic surgery hands. Fourth, the doctor can view the patient through 4K video streaming or even use a VR headset. The robotic hands also contains high resolution cameras which will enable the doctor to see the body organs in a clear image. And fifth, using a smart navigation system, the ambulance can change its route based on the traffic to reach the destination as soon as possible. So this is the SWOT analysis which I have prepared. So first, the strength will be immediate treatment to the patient in serious condition. This can save many lives as reaching the hospital takes time. Then we have weakness. Remote operation requires high speed internet connectivity, but this also can be solved using 5G network. Then opportunities, driverless ambulances, hospitals on wheels. And the third threat could be loss in the internet connectivity. So this is what I've prepared for my part.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, as usual, if you want to market this one, how you will give a brand name for your product?
So that's what, sir. It's med wheels, sir.
And wheels.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what is your estimated cost?
So,
Investment you want to have?
so actually, I have not planned on the cost as yet because I don't know about the future. Like there are lots of technologies which can emerge. So according to that, I'll decide the cost, sir. Because it's an ambulance, so
Yes,
every part has its cost.
that is why you have to aim for the total investment.
Yes, sir.
That is the planning. Your planning should come along with the cost estimation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Your views are nice. And once again, you have to speak like the CEO of that company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All the students be clear. You are the CEO of your organization. You have to speak. When you are addressing, you have to address this as the CEO. That's what we expect. That is the entrepreneurial professional qualities. Here, Blinsha has nice background. I think she changed nicely. Mm. That is her plus point. She created the ambience. So that is the thing. Another thing we expect you are to mention I am the CEO of the organization and I am going to tell about our future plan like that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Blinsha, good. Mm.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma. You can stop sharing, ma. Okay, then I think somebody asked,
So can I go next, sir? Glinda.
Glinda. Okay, ma. You can go next. Mm.
So
You
I have
need
yes, so I've connected with two devices with the same account.
to, oh, to, you are
Yes, so one is
connected. One is Glinda.
yes, sir. The other one is also Glinda, sir.
So I had to give permission for
The
start.
other one. Yes, sir. Not the video one.
Another one.
Yes, sir.
Wait, I'm able to see only one Glinda, ma.
Um, I'm no, so there's another one with just an image.
Glinda Malkani, that one.
Melanie, sir.
Melanie. Okay, okay. Sorry. From here I am seeing. Okay. Mm. I make both in as the co-host.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Am I visible, sir? Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Audible. Can go
Okay.
for slide sharing.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. Good
Yes.
morning, sir, and good morning, friends. So, yeah, so I'm a psychology student. Before that, I would like to say that in 2031, I would like to build a counseling center of my own. And so I would name it Catharsis Center as of now. So, why catharsis? Catharsis means venting out. It's a psychological term known as venting out emotions. So, I thought that this name would be more appropriate for us to use as for a counseling center. So, what is counseling? Counseling is nothing but, according to American Counseling Association, it says that it is a professional relationship between people. So there would be a professional counselor who would be dealing with people. So these people are from diverse cultures, and families would be from diverse cultures, and groups, people would be from varied places, and it doesn't necessarily mean just one particular group. So this counselor would be a professional who would be dealing with everyone. And so why this center? And how is the center going to be built? I had this friend who is currently a bachelor of architecture. So he's studying, and I thought I could just share it with him so that he could help me have my own center to draw and all. And he came up with this really amazing picture, which whatever I visualized, he was able to draw it out. And so this is how my center would look in the days to come. So what would be there in the center? There would be individual counseling rooms for individuals and couples, as well as families and children who can come for counseling, as well as teens. On the other hand, there would also be career guidance that would take place. As being a counselor, we can help them in their vocational training and also lead them to the right path which they would like to choose. And so this is how the individual room would be. This is drawn by the architect of the student. And so why this glass room? It's because it would be the person who comes there or the client who comes there, they would feel more relaxed because it shouldn't be very closed or very, or what do you say, very hard for them to open up, but it can be very soothing that they can sit there, they can chill for some time, and then they can open up and vent their emotions. And the next part, on the other hand, there would be another huge room for group therapies. So that would be for psychoeducation, music therapies, art therapy. And the room would be like this, which is visualized like this. So we can see like in a corner, there would be people who can actually go and have some music therapy. So being a musician and vocalist, I can help them out too. And I have a band on my own who are willing to come and help. So on the other hand, there would be art therapy. So a few artworks can be done and the role plays can be taken place where there are larger amount of people. And then we see that there would be a jam room on the upper story. Why? Because my brother is a musician and he loves handling with all these jacks and mixer and all of that. he's good as in recording too, so he would be helping me out with this part, and he would be taking care of that. Though I'm the CEO of my organization, my brother would be my co-CEO who would be helping me out. So the jam room would look somewhere like this, where there would be a drum and the guitars, and people can come in and they can, and this place would also be rented. So anyone who comes here, they would have to pay for particular hours so that I can earn through that also. Then for myself, so because I would be staying there, there would also be a kitchen and a washroom for myself, and there would be a receptionist room in the beginning so that I could get appointments on when people want to come, when my clients want to come. So this would be the entire structure of my centers of. And how am I planning to market? So marketing plan on my organization would be firstly through social media. So that could be through Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, any social media, Twitter, whichever I can use and I can have access to. I would be using it along with my friends and colleagues who would be helping me out. The next I thought was we could do campaigning. So we can go to different universities, we can go to different places, areas, localities, and we can do some campaigning on depression, on anxiety, anger management, on stress management, so that like through a mob or through anything, through a drama, so which would reach out to people, and eventually we would also showcase that it is from the Catharsis Center, so the group belongs from there. Later it could be from customer yeah, the customer testimonies, customarial testimonies, so they can write it up on the blogs or wherever they want to, and people would again, they would know about the center and they can also come and take part. And lastly, it would be word of mouth, and so one person tells to another and then the other multiplies, and so it goes on. So this is what I thought my marketing plan could be. And so yes, so this is what I'm planning on 2013, and yes, so this is what I want to present for today. Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Linda, you have presented nicely, especially the ambience. I like that one. How she created her dream of constructing, in my view, not establishing, constructing a room for the purpose of counseling. A nice thing, very nice ambience.
Thank you,
Even
sir.
she mentioned her the nice marketing plan. And here my students sitting here, they are telling one query. Okay. They also liked her ambience, the rooms, music system. They are asking, is there any relationship between music system and counseling?
Well, there are therapies that take place with music, sir.
Hmm.
There are people who can definitely be healed through music, as I've personally
Ah,
experienced it too.
oh,
And so it does help. So,
that is their doubt. Okay. Oh, nice system. Then what about your investment? Because it looks a big ambience,
yes, sir.
great investments. Then you are going to share with your brother. Huh? So
Yes,
you
sir.
want to be a brother as a partner. Huh? So that is another issue. So how much you are going to invest by
Well,
2030?
yes, sir. Firstly, I have to get a site on my own. Like it would be a process, so and then I should build it up. So
Mm,
I don't really know how much would it cost, but definitely I would be going to a few of my friends who
mm,
are involved in business and strategizing, helping me. So I
mm.
would be getting their guidance and working this out. So.
Okay, good. Then you what about your share for your brother? That is also important, you
Yes,
know.
sir. Yes, sir. Whatever the jam room gets, so he would be getting from that.
Mm. Whether he is with you now?
He's actually getting ready. So for he has a program now. So
Uh, we can't see him.
no, sir.
Why? That is the thing, you know. You have to show since he is also one part of the story. You have to
Yes.
share with them. And the name is also nice. You already designed that one. You are also which place you belongs to?
Bangalore, sir. I'm from Bangalore.
Bangalore itself. Where?
HBR, so Hennur.
Hennur. Mm. Okay, nice. So
Thank you,
very
sir.
good thing. Thank you, Linda. You can see other students should know that one. Her background, how she portrayed the as a CEO style. Then I like that one. How she is joining hands with brother. That is making everything live. That is also quite important in case of ventureship. You need some background Another thing, how she is mingling with the occupational style of two persons. These are all the highlights, and even the social media. She linked that one. I hope she is able to do by 2030.
Thank you, sir.
Good, Glinda. Bye. Nice. Okay, we'll move on to the.
Hello,
Yes, who is going to do next?
Ruby.
Ruby.
sir.
Yes, Nitish.
Sir, can I go after Ruby, sir?
Okay. Do.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I need to share my screen.
Ruby wish to share her. Ruby, your name.
1980.
Yes. Wait. Oh, yes. I given the permission. Okay, Ruby, you can proceed.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Next is Nitisha. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ruby Roy, and I would like to begin my presentation with a very famous quote from an awesome movie. Okay, so life is a race, and if you don't run fast, you'll be like a broken anda. So, so everybody is in this race, and in an attempt to not end up like a broken anda. But I believe that it is okay to take a break, not the one where you walk out of a cafe with the coffee cup in your hand, but a whole day break to calm down, chill, process your thoughts, and then continue the race. So I present Kai Lejour at my cafe, where you won't just eat and leave, but you can come with your loved ones, enjoy, make it count, and seize the day, which is what Kai Lejour means. It's like Carpe Diem, but in French. So the reason why I chose this name is, first of all, because the cafe would be French themed, the setting and the food. And the second reason is that there were already a lot of Carpe Diem cafes, restaurants, and pubs. So this would be the first Kaile Jour. So I had told you that it's not just a cafe, but there's much more to it. But to be honest, initially it would be just the cafe with a lot of books, something like that. Lot of books, light music, and also sound canceling headphones would be given to those who need pin drop silence to read. So, and it will be attached to a mini auditorium, a platform where we promote young talent, whatever it might be, music, dance, poetry, stand up comedy, ghazal, whatever it is. And there would be particular timings for these performances, and yeah, so preferably evenings or maybe brunch. So this is the initial plan, but by 2030, the final picture of Silage Jour would include a multi-purpose hall, um, a ground or a lawn, and the pet zone. So every addition would be made after a half-year duration post the payback period. For example, initially only the cafe and the library would be there, and the mini Audi. After the payback period gets over, after 6 months post that, this lawn and the pet zone will be added to it. And then after 6 months, sorry, after the payback period plus the 6 months, the mini auditorium will be added. So, um, for example, if I start the cafe on January 1st, 2020, the payback period would be August 2021, and we'll begin to add on to the existing structure 6 months later, that is March 2022. So the next addition after the cafe and the audio will be the ground lawn and the pet zone. So the reason to add the pet zone is that the pets can make anyone happy. You just see a dog chasing its own tail, it's dumb, but it looks so cute, right? So that's why I believe that pets can make my customers and me happy, except the ones who were bitten by a dog or something. So, and that is why there is this huge lawn in between. So the people who are here, who are sitting over here, they have an option whether to come to the pet zone or not. So it is completely their choice. Um, okay. Uh, so the so this is the interior of the pet zone. This area, yeah. And the last addition would be the multi-purpose hall. So this is the area which would be used for mainly artsy stuff like exhibitions, art galleries, workshops, um, exhibitions, and also an area that I would love to rent out to fellow entrepreneurs to form a supportive bond and mutual benefits. So we can conduct fairs. So this would also help me in marketing my cafe. So, and the point is that the products that they are selling, they are willing to sell must hold some aesthetic or social value. So by aesthetic, I mean that these people who are trying to keep traditions alive, you know, uh, showcasing pure Indian art forms like Tanjore paintings, Madhubani paintings, Wali folk paintings, things like that, or selling traditional Kolhapuri chappals, right? So keeping traditions alive. So they're handcrafted. So and by social value, I meant like a cause, a good purpose. So the best example I can think of is those eco-friendly slippers that Minu Bharti presented. So products like that. So the reason why I added this in the end is so that by that time, people would get to know the place. The cafe would be familiar to most people. I mean, if I'm offering someone to come, I'm offering someone to come up and put an exhibition. So, like if they are inviting someone to attend the exhibition, the invitee should immediately respond like, "Oh, this place, I know that place," you know. So I'll be there. That kind of familiarity I'm looking forward to. So their customers would get to know my place. Similarly, my customers would attend their show as well. So they are getting the publicity they need. I am getting my marketing. So a good mutual benefit. And this is the time when our lawn would also become a multi-purpose lawn. So for example, if a huge thing is happening, for example, a literary fest happens, so we would obviously need more space. So if the multi-purpose hall is not enough for them, they can also use the lawn. So I mean ground, whatever. So, and also a bit of this area would be like a parking spot, but only for the VIPs, the ones who I'm inviting, like that. So by 2030, the development would not be much on the infrastructure, but in our contacts. So like by 2025, the whole setting will be done. The whole structure will be formed, but by 2030, we'll just move much more forward. We'll have many good contacts to invite, guests to invite. Uh, so the contacts that we have made over a period of time. For example, I'll just share my screen again. For example, anybody who knows this person, anyone.
Akash Gupta, right?
Yes, Akash Gupta. So there might be a very few people who know this person, but there is a fan base, but a very light fan base, right? So anybody who knows this person.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there might be a big number of people who knows this person. So uh, so by 2025, when everything is set, I might call people like Akash Gupta. So he has a fan base, but very small fan base. So he will also get his publicity. And by 2030, I am hoping that the the cafe would reach so many people that I'll be able to invite people like Anand Gill. So he has a much better fan base, you know. So the contacts will increase. So I'm not saying that Gill will come to my cafe. He might be old by then, but still I'm talking about that standard, right? So yeah. So this is the 3D picture of uh, how I have placed everything. So this is the multi-purpose hall. This is the cafe, and this is uh, the auditorium. Okay, the stage is there. So it's not furnished. So this is just where everything will be. So this is the lawn, and this is an empty space. Okay, so the cars can only the black lines. They are the walls. So this is an empty. There's no wall. So the cars can enter from there, and this is the pet zone, the pet area. So yeah, open area for the cars to come in, for the vehicles to come in. Yeah.
Oh, no.
So this is the view that I'm trying to, this is the entrance. These two are the Audi and the multi-purpose hall. The lawn will be like inside. So there is some privacy, whatever you do, however you want to spend your time. And this is the pet area, right? So it's not furnished. It looks very dull right now, but just a short idea of how it should be placed. So that's the end. That's the tour of the
Okay.
cafe.
Okay. Good. Very good. Ruby. This is the 3D view. You prepared that one?
Yes, sir. That is
Oh,
why it's like that. The dimensions are wrong. So I was
okay.
completely new to it. That's why.
You belong to which department?
English department.
Oh, from English department, you prepared the 3D animation. Then I will inform Stephen sir. Huh? Nice. Huh? Today we talk about your department only. Very nice presentation. Here my students are first saying about the pet place. They are seeing me as a, they are showing that one, how she linked the pet place along with the cafe. That is very nice thing. And another thing, one of the faculty member here also, Dr. Bala, he is also mentioning about how she mentioned the time duration also. By 2025, how it will be, 2030, how it will be, the dreaming. I think we have to mention the Abdul Kalam quote. You have to dream first, then only you are able to achieve. I think Ruby's dream is nice. Huh? She dream is good, and as usual, the ambience set by the Ruby is also nice. I think we have to think about that one. A nice 3D animation from English department student also. Hmm. I think she is, you can see the department is not a matter, only the power of students is matter. That's what I understand. Okay. Also, she mentioned clearly the branding in marketing. Say, what is their expectation, the branding? I think first day I showed that one, that Dosawala story. When you became a big king in Dosa, he decided to go and meet the Rajinikanth, the superstar for him, because he is from the from Tamil Nadu. See that one. Same thing, the Ruby is having some dream. Hmm? And also she mentioned about the payback period, how clearly she is going to manage. That is also a very nice plus point. So my question is, Ruby, I think more investment is needed,
Yes, sir.
whether you will be able to face all these things, burning rate.
That is that is the challenge that we have to take place now.
Uh,
I mean,
have you seen that film, what we have discussed in one case study? What is that film name? I think that Surarai Potru. Have you seen that
Yes, sir.
film?
Yes, sir. I've seen. I've seen.
That is the issue. When you are planning big, you have to face more hurdles. Anyhow, you are able to cope up with that one. Nice. Where you are from?
Sir, I'm from Kerala.
Oh, Kerala. Now you are in Kerala.
Yes, sir.
So whether you are able to stand in your own leg or you are going to depend upon somebody for your business, I am asking by 2030. Your dreams are good. Your investment is more. Whether your dad, mom, or grandpa, they are ready to fund you, or you are going to get the fund from somebody else in venture capital. Yes, Ruby, are you able to hear my voice?
Sir, I think she lost internet connectivity.
Yes. Ruby, you
Still,
have been
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So my net got disconnected for a while.
yes.
Sorry.
Whether your parents will support or
Yes,
your
sir. Yes, sir. They will support for sure. My dad is in business, not the same field. I had told you when we were doing that wedding planner questioning one.
yes.
So I told you that he was in this studio business.
Oh, no.
So like it's not the same thing, but business line only, no? So,
Oh, business line. Which place in Kerala you are?
Kollam, sir.
Kollam. Oh, nice. I
Not the
visited.
Kollam city, the border.
Hmm.
They're
That is.
actually born and brought up in Delhi, so I'm
Oh.
actually stuck here.
Hmm. Kollam is very famous for fishes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Whether your dad is nearby you or your mom is there.
Dad will come. He was in Delhi. He will come today.
Oh,
My brother is there. He came yesterday from Bangalore.
That is your
So
brother.
my
Call.
brother, he's in the
Call.
next room.
Call, ma. We have to see, That is the present education, online plus point. Huh?
But
Call.
I just lock the room so that he won't disturb me.
Oh, that is usual thing. You can say when brother is there, they will fight. Sister means you won't allow. Hmm? Good. And you have nice presentation. I hope you are able to achieve. So by 2030, you can see the same video in YouTube and you will see how you looks like.
Okay, sir.
Good, ma. Thank you. I will
Thank you so much,
convey
sir.
your regards to your department also. Thank you. Good, nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Then Nitesh, ready?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Sir,
yes.
can I go next after Nitish? Stephen, sir.
Stephen. Okay, Stephen. After Nitesh, Stephen is ready.
Sir, I want to share my screen, sir.
Ah, okay. I have given permission, Nitesh. Whether Nitesh, you changed the background, huh? Okay, good. Seems that some Singapore is behind you, huh? Like CNN TV. Start, Nitesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can you see screen, sir?
Yes, I'm able to see.
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon, everyone. And today I'll be talking about my company. It's the name is AIL, and with the tagline "Build, Skill, and Instill." So, the sequence of this tagline will you all will come to know once I talk about my company. So a brief introduction about me. Currently, I'm pursuing MCA and I'm full stack developer. And also, I'll be the CEO of my company and also the founder. So, what is the goal of my company? So the goal of my company is now the problem is the student is not getting opportunity to get experience on a real-time project like industry based project. So our aim is to bring the real-time technical project such as web development, native development, and hybrid app development to student level. So what will be the advantage of this? Yeah. So advantage of this will be let's see about the problem. What are the problems? Now, since due to the pandemic, we have everything like there is a current new trend. Like all small business are trying to get online. So to get online, they need to make a app or website. So for that, if they approach a company like good company, so the company will charge very high cost. So which the small business might not be able to afford. And also the students, what is happening is that this is from my personal experience. While I was pursuing my bachelor's, so I was looking for a platform wherein I can apply my skill, like whatever I'm learning, I can apply, and also like I can gain confidence through real time experience. So that was the problem that I faced. So what could be the solution to the problem? So what our company will be doing is our company will be connecting this clients to the student. So our company will be acquiring the projects from clients and uh, then we'll be outsourcing it to capable students. So by doing this, what will happen is that we will be able to provide like build product for a client at a reasonable rate. So if even if the client is a small business person, the reasonable rate building product at reasonable rate will be helpful for the client. And also just as a student, we just don't want to study and just depend on our parents' money. So as a student will be able to earn for their work while they are also learning. And it is not necessary that student have to work in some other field. Like if you're in computer science field, then you are working in you're as a waiter for to earn amount. So that won't be the problem. The student will be able to get experience in his or her own field. So coming to demand, so is there demand for this? Yeah, obviously there is demand, and since we all are students here, so everyone must be wanting this kind of platform wherein they can get experience and also earn some money so that they can support themselves and also their family. And so this is my business model. So our key partners will be student client, then key is employing student developing projects, and the customer relationship will be through app or website, and also the revenue streams will be through skilling courses and project development. So I'll be talking about the skilling courses in later part of the presentation. So growth strategy. So initially, what will be the implementation is that we'll be implementing this idea, just the basic idea, the USP, and then second level will be the skilling courses. Now, since student will be working on real-time project, which is like for a client, so they'll be requiring some skills. So in order to and also students they don't have skills, so to remove that gap, this will be introducing skilling courses wherein student can apply for these courses, and also while they are learning they can also work, and they can cover the expense through through while they are working of these skilling courses. And attainment and expansion. So the third level is what happens is I just spoke about technical, like from my background, computer science background. We can also go to other specialization, like in from commerce background, from psychology background, or it's the background. So we can expand to different background. So SWOT analysis, strength, it's a unique platform wherein student can get experience, and also they can improve their skills. Weakness will be establishing coordination between student. So since we'll be outsourcing the project, we have to coordinate, like we have to keep ourselves updated and client also updated about the project, how it is going. So, but this can be overcome by proper communication. Opportunities, yeah, I spoke about opportunities. Like we can expand to any section of market, because you know students, they just graduate and they go into market, and they like they go in different sections of market. So our opportunity is not limited. And also skilling courses. The threats will be competitors, but however, there are no similar competitors for now. And in future, if we can see some competitors, but by the time we'll be already well established to compete with them. So market opportunity, the according to Statista, the app segment of India is around $200 million. So our target market will be around $10 million. So that to be achieved in 3 years. Allocation of funds. The investment requirement is not much. It's just 15 lakhs rupees. So, and this will be used in advertisement. Mostly, you have to make this student aware of that we are existing, and they can approach to us and join our platform. So the sources of capital. So bootstrapping and investors. Can actually I'm planning to bootstrap the amount, 15 lakh. So expected profit overview. So this is my chart if, from 2021 till 2024. So this can I have just taken 2021 as start point, but it can be little further, maybe 2023 or 4. So thank you. And for conclusion, I would like to say that see one through student be forming a community. So even we can start with incubation. So if a student from who are registered with a platform want to start a business, will be able to help them to communicate with other students who are of different specialization, so they can work together and come up with their own business. So this is my strategy and my company. Thank you.
Okay, good, Nitish. Okay. Okay, here my students are asking that you have created a nice background from your PowerPoint. Is it PowerPoint directly or you have created an image and posted?
Sorry,
Nitish,
sir. Sorry,
your
sir.
background, how you created the background? It is a PowerPoint image or you created a separate image for your background? Nitish, you are unmuted.
It's first slide of my PowerPoint, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the students. Okay, you can see the Nitish view from the faculty perspective. They mentioned that one thing. The AIL, the brand image he started. So in the beginning stage itself, he is having the dream of having the brand image. Whether it is your image or you have taken or your dream image, Nitish,
Sorry, sir.
your image, AIL, what does it
Yes, sir.
represent?
Sir, actually, I have just come up with one full form. It's like Academia for Interested Learners. Like it's for students, so you know. So I formed like that.
Okay. So that is why the globe image is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's a logo, sir.
Yes, that is the logo. Okay. Coming to my view, Nitish clearly presented his views, both marketing side, operational side, as well as the finance side, three sides. Okay. But how, Nitish, you are going to attract the young fellows for your AIL? What will be the total
Sir,
investment?
actually, I have already started, sir. Like, I have communicated with some of the students, and we are working on projects, sir. So through, now I have suppose currently I'm having 3 students who is working with me build project. So currently we are working on building a project for an NGO. So the project is about this NGO is collaborating with they are helping cancer patients. So they want an app wherein the cancer patient can connect with the doctor because their situation is very critical. So they need immediate communication. So they wanted app for that. So we are currently developing that app. And how this other students, like how we'll be promoting our business. So now since I have 4 students, so through them I can promote. So like the chain will grow like that. They can keep on promoting. And also now advertisement is not that expensive through Google. You on YouTube or Google Ads. It's very cheap. So I'll be using those means to promote my business.
So you are integrating social entrepreneurship with you.
Yes.
Okay, good, Nitish. That is the another plus point how you integrating that one. So whether it is only an app or you are going to do with some other thing.
Sir, actually,
Hmm.
it's it's like we can we for customer relationship, like for collaboration we can build up apps, sir, like wherein we can collaborate. So currently we are not having large team, so we are still at a initial phase. So as the strength increases, so we can go with the development of the app, wherein that will help with collaborating our students. Yes, sir.
Okay, immediately after MCA, you are going to engage in your business then.
Yes, sir. I'm planning to do the same.
Oh, nice. So you are not expecting up to 2030. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Quick response you explaining. Who are all investing with you? Either you or any team is along with you.
Sir, sir, I have my like from bachelor's. I know two students who are from Goa, sir. So they are working with me, and even my clients are there, so they are working with me.
Now you are in Goa.
No, sir. I'm currently in Bangalore, sir. I came first week of December, sir. So actually,
Oh,
for
nice.
admission purpose of my younger brother.
Oh, nice. I know one
Yes.
college in Goa. That principal is my friend only. Where you studied your undergraduate?
Saint Xavier's College, Mapsa, Goa.
Oh, okay. I don't. I forget the name of the college, but I know that person. Okay, nice, Nitesh. So now you are in Bangalore along with your friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. For your practical, you came in advance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, Nitesh. A nice
Okay. Thank you,
presentation.
sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Yes,
you, sir.
thank you. Good presentation. Yes, who is going to do next?
Sir, me, Sir Stephen. Sir, can you
Stephen.
allow?
Yes,
Actually, my laptop has no touch screen. Can you allow Sayush to share the screen for
yes, Steve, I will share you. Okay.
Sayush, sir? Can you allow Sayush to share the
Who?
screen for me? Sayush, sir.
Sayuj.
19, yeah, roll number.
Sayuj.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
So I have given permission to Sayuj and yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, start, Stephen.
Yes, sir. So yeah. So good afternoon, you all. I'm Stephen, and my venture is I'm the CEO of a company called Hopture, and Hopture is a short form of hip hop culture. So this is basically to increase the level of hip hop scene in India as compared to other countries where hip hop and other artists like are generally being recognized easily. Where in India, where hip hop artists like hip hop is a mixture of all the arts like dance, rapping, underground battles, beatboxing, b-boys, etc. So as a dancer myself, I see there should be an increase in the level of dancing in India, and so I present you Hopture, my company, which is basically a school where all the arts like I said, rapping, dancing, and music, singing, and beatboxing and freestylers like football freestylers and etc. can also can come in, and they can teach their art which they are good, and people who want to learn, who are willing to learn, can also come and learn. In that way, the people who are who want to do uh, who want to what do I say who want to pursue their passion in what they love. For example, if someone is good in rapping, he'll be in India. It's actually difficult to pursue your career in some other in some other fields like dancing or other, because in India, basically the mindset of parents will be you should either be engineer or doctor or business, or you should do something. But and also they have a fear that if he chooses, if my son or a daughter chooses any other profession, it will be difficult for her or him to uh, in the future, in case of financial situation. So this is the opportunity for all the people, so who can come and who are actually good, they can come, and who are willing to learn, they can come to my school, where people can teach the arts which they are good to, and kids or people to any age who can come and uh, learn the art. Yeah. So why I chose this profession is, like I said, there has been people who are willing to do this as a profession, but they are actually scared to do. Uh, they're actually scared to do what they're good at. So, and in that case, and they are forced to do any other job, just like Nitish told. A person is studying MCA and he's going to do and he's doing work at restaurants as waiter or something. So I don't want, so I recognize that, and I don't want people to do that. I want people to pursue their career which they love to. As Indians probably they have uh, uh, they have mind Indians, like Indian cricketers, which you can see that Indian cricketers who love the player, love the uh, what do you say, sport, and they earn from it and they get branding. So likewise, we don't get branding for this kind of artists, underground artists like dancers and all. And I want them to be recognized. So this would also give them an opportunity to earn, as well as pursue their career in what they love to. So yeah. So what my school will do is, it will teach, and it will manage the event for them, for the dancers who are actually good at, and giving them workshop opportunities to teach others. And for this I have to hire a well-known artist. For example, there are so many artists who are actually good and are craving for the job, to teach to someone, and craving for the job opportunities, that craving for the money that they are not able to get according to their talent, like and this would give them an opportunity to earn, and as well as teach the art which they love. And So what will my school will do is, in each week it will conduct a workshop for each and every art. For example, there is a art called graffiti designing, which comes into hip hop. It is actually originated from USA, but in India it has been slowly increasing, but not as recognized in India. So we can do these kind of workshops uh, to people to get to know about these things, and also to earn money through it. And monthly there will be an event and a competition, and yearly there will be two battles for all kind of artists, battles where all the hip hop artists, all the for example, in Bangalore, you see there are number of in India there are only two places where hip hop is actually been increasing, that is Bangalore and Mumbai. So Bangalore, there's a lot of number of hip hop artists who are willing to do these kind of battles, and they are actually earning from it, only from this thing. So what I've planned is to conduct this battle and events consistently in a month or a week, so that they would get an earning, and also for the audience to get to know kind of artist. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Proceed.
Yeah, these kind of artists. So yeah, how my marketing will be is, my marketing plan will be, uh, as I said, through social media, and each and there will be a video editing and video making team, which will take all of these videos, and they will upload it in social medias and all other forms, where people who are also have the same plan of increasing or enlarging the hip hop scene in India can come and help. So we are open for this, and yeah, for so control my burning rate. Talking about the burn rate, so the charge which I would charge for a workshop or a thing is, it will be a yearly plan. For example, for kids, it will be like from 3,000 per year. And if you compare, 3,000 is a very less for a year to get a workshop or a to get a workshop which is been handled by a professional dancer or professional artist in any other situation, in any other art you say. And uh, and from that we are conducting events also, and by that through that earning we'll get to give salaries to those who are working for us, for example the artists which we hire to teach to others. And as well as when we get uh, and the people who are, when we'll analyze the people who are actually being doing well in learning from the art, we'll recognize them, we'll make them go to other events, and we'll make them get recognized, and they can represent actually India, because I don't know anyone knows about this. 2018 World of Dance was won by an Indian team called Kings United, and still there are no like though not much recognition for them. So in that case, I want you all to know that yeah, dance, art, and hip hop rapping scene is already there in India, but we just have to increase it. And my vision of 2030 will be we should be equally challenge the US people in this kind of art, and in this kind of thing, because if you see independent artists compared to India and USA is like into 100 times bigger than us, because they recognize people who are actually good, and they can uh, actually good, and they are earning through it. They don't want to waste their talent, and we as in India, we are feared about the future future uh, if you take this as a profession. So I just want you all to know that this can also be a profession, and people who want to follow their passion can join us in Hopture. uh, yeah so yeah, so at
Okay.
last I just want sir, this would be an effort to also decrease the rate of unemployment. And as you can see, this guy is wearing tie, and not, how can this guy be an hip hop artist? So I myself
So you are changing yourself.
say, sir, I will like to conclude this by a statement of my personal favorite hip hop artist, Eminem. Uh, you better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow this. Opportunity comes in lifetime, in a lifetime. So uh, you only get one time, one opportunity in life, and you have to follow your passion through it. Don't waste your time in other thing in search of money, but you can also find your passion in what you do the best. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good, Stephen. So my what here my students comment that Stephen will be the next celebrity. Huh? So Stephen, do you want to be a celebrity within few
Sir, I
years?
just want no, sir, nothing. I just want people who are actually good to get recognized, and there are people, sir, who are actually really good, but they are not getting recognized. There has been some initiation by other people also, but like reality shows which perform reality shows like dancing and all, but only few people get chance, and I don't think everyone gets. So there are already so many people who are getting aged and still are willing to teach their art and teach their what do you say, teach their knowledge, and what teach the knowledge to the younger people to increase the level of hip hop in India. And yeah, sir, it is increasing, and
Okay.
our effort is to just increase it more in India as compared to other countries. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good, Stephen. Here, faculty members are asking whether your answer one you have mentioned challenging the US people. Your
Yes,
national
sir.
important, your dream, your determination is nice. That's what
Yes,
they
sir.
are recognizing your view as the challenging. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
coming to my view, you are rightly mentioned, even you are ready to quote about the fees, how much you will charge for the persons coming for you.
Sir, for coming for me, as in to
Mm,
teach or to
teach.
learn, sir. Sir, that
La-
will be a yearly subscription, sir, like sir, 3,000 per year, sir.
Oh,
And
it's very less
how
amount,
actually, yes,
3,000
sir.
per year.
Yes, sir. Since it is, since the effort is to give the knowledge to other people in low cost. So
So you are
no
planning.
cost. And I would also say the how to control it burn rate, sir. We will also we'll be doing the events in weekly and monthly so that we could earn more, and we would control the burn rate through that, sir.
So you are going to do from your home, or you are going to identify a separate
Actually,
place?
how I would convince the venture capitalist is this is actually a new plan where they have started this initiation, but only 1 or 2 arts they would do, sir. But in my company there will be all types of art in which, in example, rapping, etc., all kind of arts. So they would choose my choose my venture, and I would like to have a large investment from there.
Large investment. You are ready to build a
Yes, sir.
separate.
I'm going to start from a small business come to large, sir. By 2030, it should be all over India, and yes, sir.
So what will be your brand name then?
Sir, Hopcher, sir.
Hopcher.
So just
Same thing what you are
yeah,
mentioned.
yeah, sir.
Very
Hip hop
nice.
culture, sir.
Hip hop culture. So whether your parents will accept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. This actually, I was thinking about it since I was also was passionate about this kind of arts like dance and all, but the and I was lucky enough to get an opportunity to study as well, because a lot of people don't get opportunity to study, and I can also choose an option for to pursue my career in computer science as well as dance also. But a lot of people do not get this opportunity, so I would like to give them opportunity for to pursue their career in what they love.
Oh, nice. Well, your background shows different places, even the Bombay, then
Yes, sir.
Jaipur, where you are now.
Actually, I'm in Bangalore, sir. Actually, I visited all of this, sir. My dad is in army, so we have roamed around all the country.
So now you are in home only.
Yes, sir. I'm in.
Okay. Yeah. You can call your mom. I will ask whether she will permit you for
Sir,
this
actually,
practice.
only me and my sister is staying here, sir. They are in Pondicherry. My native is in
Pondicherry.
Pondicherry.
Oh,
Yes,
your
sir.
native is Pondicherry.
Actually, the rate of unemployment is the largest in Pondicherry, so that's why it came in mind.
You and your sister only are here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are from Pondicherry. Nice place. Very good, Stefan. Nice presentation.
Thank
I
you, sir.
think you are able to achieve your aim. Okay, thank you,
Yes, sir,
students.
sure.
We will have 10 minutes break. Once again, we will have assembled by 3:40. Okay, bye. The other presenters be ready. We'll have a fast track presentation. Good. We'll meet by 3:40. Bye.